a rock is thrown upward. The height is given by this formula, where t is in seconds and h doesn't say, but it is in feet. Oh, it does say in feet. Perfect. Okay. Now the maximum is the vertex. This is a parabola that opens down, and so it will reach a maximum. So we go after the vertex. The vertex formula, the variable here is t, so it's t equals negative b over 2a. This is part of the quadratic formula. Opposite b, then plus or minus the square root of the discriminant all over 2a. So this is part of the quadratic formula. Opposite of b is negative 54. 2a is negative 32. So we get simplified 27 over 16 seconds. That's the maximum height when it reaches the maximum height, 27/16. When will it reach the ground? Now the ground is different. The ground is h equals 0. So in this formula we'd have negative 16t squared plus 54t plus 7 equaling 0. This is a quadratic equation. We have the quadratic formula. I work out the discriminant first, just so that you can check the work. B squared, that would be 54 squared minus 4 times. A is negative 16 and C is 7. 33/64. Now they are asking us to round if necessary, so I'm going to just use my calculator to get the answer. So the quadratic formula is t in this case, not x. The variable here is t. That's what's in the function notation, the t. T equals opposite b, that's opposite 54, plus or minus the square root of the discriminant, which we've worked out. All this is over 2a to negative 32. The square root of 33/64, I believe, works out. Let's take a look. 33/64. It's 58. So we could work out the exact answers. Oops, 58. And get the negative 54 plus 58 over negative 32, and the negative 54 minus 58 over negative 32. And let's take a look at what these are. So negative 54 plus 58 divided by negative 32. And let me do the other one as well. Minus. And let's discuss, the negative time will be before this rock is thrown. So that doesn't make sense. The positive time will be after we throw the rock and when it hits the ground. So that's the right one, 3.5. So we have negative 0.125 and 3.5. But this is the one that makes sense as to after we throw the rock. 3.5 seconds. Okay.